India's leading institute for medical engineering and foundation preparation is now in Vasco, Ponda and Mapsa. Fulfill your dreams of becoming a doctor or engineer with Akash Byju's. Enroll for instant admission cum scholarship test. Admissions open.
See, Indian National Congress was basically born to give the freedom to this country. And this Tiranga was the struggle of the members of the Indian National Congress, the sacrifice. We lost a lot of our members and leaders during this struggle. Narendra Modi and his all party leaders never got an opportunity to serve this country, to fight for this country those days, because many of their leaders were with British that time. So now they want to prove their nationality or nationalism. It's a proud moment because there was always a doubt whether RSS and BJP they're celebrating this Tiranga. There was a doubt. But after they realized this Tiranga, our sacrifice is gone, our freedom fighters' blood is there. So they've got a good wisdom now. I want to congratulate Prime Minister and all the leaders of BJP and RSS. The entire freedom struggle was headed by Indian National Congress. The RSS ideology were not able to digest that because they were the part of the British. They were actually supporters of British. The RSS entire family, then that time Jan Sangh and all them, they were not in favor of freedom. They were actually the part of it. They were not joining the freedom movement.